Hi there, this is Ann Geyer, and our family has the Geyer Family Farm, which is Agriberry in Hanover County. And we're glad you're here today for our July visit. We're going to be focusing, of course, on these scrumptious, delicious blackberries. And this is our early variety, and you can see there's a plentiful amount all around me. But we're also going to let folks know where the mid-season ones are, and late season, and our ever-bearing blackberries too. So it should be a fun day here at Agriberry Farm. Thank you.
My name is Pearson Geyer. I'm here at Agriberry Farm, and I'm the field supervisor here. So I run the picking crew, which is mostly composed of high school and college kids. As part of our social mission at Agriberry, we try to extend the opportunity to a lot of first-time workers to get experience in the field, learning what farming is like and developing work ethic with them. So I train a group of about 30 kids throughout the summer and get them picking berries and getting an appreciation for agriculture as well as hard work.
So I'm Ashley and this is Carrie. And we saw the sign at the farmer's market today at South of the James.
And we thought it would be fun to come out and pick some blackberries and
we like
to enjoy the day.
Yeah, supporting local businesses. So we're excited to check it out.
I'm Montana. And I'm Ruth. And today we're having a field day, so come on down and buy some containers. Prices may vary. I don't know.
This variety here is Chester. It's a really high yielding variety and comes on later in the season. As you can see, a lot of this fruit is red, underdeveloped right now. This guy is just getting started to get picked. You have a couple of the kingberries have gotten ready. And this typically gets us all the way into September in terms of variety. If you're buying any of our fruit in early fall, it's probably going to be some of the Chester fruit. Like I said, very high yielder. You can see plenty of fruit all down the row. So that'll all be coming in the next couple of weeks. And over here, we have a new trial variety that we're trying this season called Freedom. It's one of the primocane bearing blackberries. So most blackberries bear fruit only on their floricanes, their second year of growth in the plant material. But these guys will bear fruit both on the primocanes and the floricanes. So that's how you can get a later season blackberry. The primocanes mature over the summer and then will flower. And these flowers are about a month out from fruiting. So we'll start to get this fruit in September, and this will start to carry us into the fall with some fall blackberries, which is a bit of a new development here in North America, but we're really excited to see that season continue to develop. So we have an irrigation leak here. What probably happened is some tension or maybe a cut caused a little incision here and caused the water to start to leak. So in order to fix this, we have a coupler that we're going to put in the middle. We're going to cut the irrigation line here, and you might want to do this way. There we go. Find where you had the incision here, cut out the problem area. You want to make a really clean, flat cut so that the coupler can make good contact when you get it in there. What's happened here is our coupler has come out of the main line. You just need to get that re-synced up. Probably the most common causes for these are when you have pruners or people doing plant care going down the row. If you're not careful when you're using your scissor, your pruners, you don't prune parallel, you prune perpendicular, you can nick the lines. So lots of times after we get done with doing a plant care job, we'll want to walk all the irrigation lines and check for any leaks that could have happened as a result of that. Okay.
Thank you, everybody. So glad you came out today and hope you've enjoyed yourself at Agriberry Farm. And we will be having another farm visit in August. Check our website and we hope to see you in August. Bye now.